guys, so I'm back with another Erin Condren video. So as you guys may know, I am kind of like spending the next couple of days or the next week or whatever setting up this planner. So I'm going to go ahead and start here. I will probably lay maybe some washi down at the top, maybe not, but I'm actually going to use this spread or these two pages the same way that I use this page in my budget planner. So I do have more colorful dots. These came from Etsy shop Cricut Paper Company, and these are transparent. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a key down here, and then I am going to essentially mark any important dates for the year 2018. So this does have 2017 on here, but I'm not going to worry too much about that. And it is already April, so we really don't need to worry about this either. I may go back if it's something important that I may, want to mark, but for the most part, we're just going to focus on this page. So what I have in mind is that I will use probably this green transparent dot for any bills, such as we pay our car insurance every 6 months, or we pay our renter insurance every year. So I do want to use one of these green stickers, but I don't know if I want to actually write here, like write down here, or if I want to put down like a green sticker. I do have the colorful boxes here, so I could easily use like a thin green sticker. Maybe we'll try that. Okay, I have that color green. Like if we put this down, we could put the green dot inside of it, or we could put it beside it. Guess we need to decide what to do, because once these stickers go down on an Erin Condren planner, they are down because they're not really removable. So let's try that, and then this. Okay, then for birthdays and events, maybe we'll do like maybe orange. We'll separate that. We'll do orange for birthdays. Let's see. Oh, we don't have orange in here. We have yellow? No, we don't have yellow. Maybe should have figured this out before I got on here. Don't have orange or yellow. I mean, I don't like either of those colors, so I'm cool with that. Pink. Let's do pink for events. We'll go across here first. Pink for events. And then we'll do blue if we have a blue. We do, but it's... No. Because we have more pink, we're going to do pink for birthdays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, that should be enough. And then we'll do purple. Well, no, we're doing blue. That's what we're doing. We'll do blue for events. Blue for events. And hopefully we won't run out. We'll do the light blue. Well, that's one. We're one short now. We only have 5. That might be a problem. Blue for events. And then, what other color do we have? I guess red for doctor appointments or any kind of appointments. Oh shoot, I didn't even check and see if we had, okay, we do have a red, cool. Red for appointments. Then we do have more, so let's just get started with what we have. So, bills, we have, starting in April, on the 7th of May, wait, bills, just kidding, bills. On the 23rd of May, we have renter insurance due. So do we have one more color? Let's see. Purple. We'll put purple down and we may come up with something for it, but as of right now we don't really have any purples, I don't guess. Well, I kind of wanted to do purple for anniversaries. Okay, so that's actually finished, so let's just write it in. Now the dilemma is, do I want to use a coordinating color pen, or not? Alrighty, so that was pretty fun and exciting, and so because of that, I don't know if I'm going to go back. I may go back, I may not, I don't know, but this is what it looks like, and I think it looks really cute and really good, so I'll just carry these in the back of my planner. Not that this planner actually goes with me, or it's not created to go with me, but if I ever need to just put something down, I'll have these. And looks like I will be needing some more of these because I'm running low. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and it may have given you an idea or two. I think it looks really good. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.